Hello everyone. So I'm making videos again. It's nearly Halloween. Thought I better jump on the bandwagon and get some videos out before Halloween. I'm going to try and do some easy ones. I'll help the best I can. If anyone's got any questions about anything or anywhere that I can help, let me know. So today I'm going to do a bit of a zombie type, because everyone loves a good zombie on Halloween, and I think it's quite easy to do for most people. The stuff I'm going to be using today is simple things. I'm not going to use all the fancy stuff. So I'm literally going to use cotton wool balls. First things first, I'm going to use some skin tape. I'm going to use a little bit of cling film. Some liquid latex. Fake blood, paints and stuff like that. So that's all the main stuff you need. I'd recommend maybe having some powder, maybe. I don't know if we'll use powder yet, we'll see. If you want to go a bit fancy, I'm using some prosthetic teeth that I made. These aren't a must. Also, I will be using some Krylon blood eye drops. These are expensive. These are not a must. These are about £23 a bottle. I got from a makeup shop. You don't want to be putting these in if you've got sensitive eyes. They're literally just like eye drops. You drop them into your eye and it makes your eye look like it's bleeding. Let's get into it, shall we? So I'm starting this by sticking my eye and my lip with skin tape to make my eye droopy and my lip up at the side so it looks like it's been a bit messed up. I'm then going to be putting liquid latex into a little pot thing to be able to use it with a brush. It makes it much easier. As you see on this start bit, I don't use a brush, I just use my fingers dipping it in. Later on in the video I do show you that I changed to a brush because using the fingers was just messy and annoying. So I'd recommend using a brush that you don't mind getting messed up, as the latex will all get stuck to the brush and ruin it. So it's best not to use your favourite brush, otherwise it will be going in the bin. I know this is a pretty look. Well, what can you do? I can't smile, that's why I look miserable, because it'll pull the tape off. Boom! Speeded it up just to show you that this is it all over. So I've already put cling film over that side of my hair just to protect it, because I didn't want to get all that latexy cotton wool balls in my hair, because it just is a pain to get out. If it does happen by accident or whatever, you can get it out, just get a bit of soap and water on it and it'll be absolutely fine. Don't worry about it if it happens. So now we need to dry our mix to be able to paint it. So I usually blast it with a hairdryer. When it starts to dry, you'll see it change colour, it'll go darker. You'll know when it's set by just tapping it. You can see the colour change anyway, so you'll know. It's not the end of the world if you paint over it. You'll just get latex on your paintbrush and then it'll ruin that brush as well. So careful if you don't want to use loads of brushes. So here I'm mixing two foundations together to get it best to my skin colour. It's not really my skin colour, but you know. I'm using two foundations that I don't really like. I would recommend not using your favourite foundation because it's just a waste. Like, maybe if you're going out for the whole night, but you've got to use quite a lot of foundation. I used about 10 squirts of foundation in the end. So it's best not to use the one that you love. Now I'm going to be going in with the paint job. I start with the black paint and I just use a little sponge that I've pulled bits out of just to stipple it all over the latex that we've done so far. I do the same with green, blue, bit of red and yellow. Then I just go in with this fake blood. Now this blood that I've used is not the best. I don't know why I used it. Like, look at the consistency on that. Look at the colour, it's bright red. It looks a lot better when I start to blend it in a minute. So I'm just shaking my head because I know that is just, what, tragic. But I can fix it. I can make it look better. Start to dabble it all in there. As you can see, the cling film isn't actually down on my head. I mean, if I was wearing this out, I'd probably put it in with clips just to make it stick down. As you can see, I used scab blood there, which makes it look a lot better. Now I'm using the eye blood drops, dripping them into my eyes. Like I said, they're not needed, it looks good without, but I just thought they were a nice touch to the ridge in my eye. As I stuck my eye down with tape, they kind of just were not coming out of my eye, no matter how much I blinked, which is quite good really. If you're going out, it'll be stuck in your eye all night. But it wasn't very comfortable. So, this is the finished look. I tried to make it as easy as possible for you with things that you might actually have at home. Don't substitute anything for eye drops though. Nothing. But yeah, I hope you enjoy, and there is a lot more looks coming your way. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.